Welcome back to economics learning. Today we'll discuss what is Bay Salam. Bay Salam. Bay Salam is an Islamic contract that involves the advance payments for goods that are to be delivered in the future. It is primarily used in Islamic finance to facilitate trade, particularly in agricultural or commodity-based transactions. Islam is an essential contract in Islamic finance designed to facilitate trade while adhering to Sharia principles. In essence, it's a forward contract where goods are sold and paid for upfront with delivery occurring at the later specified date. This unique feature distinguishes it from conventional trade contracts, making it a valuable tool in various economic sectors, especially agriculture and commodities. First point is contract formation. The process of forming a buyer-seller contract involves mutual agreements between a buyer and seller. Both parties negotiate and agree on crucial aspects of the transaction, including the type and quantity of goods, quality, standard price, and delivery date. Once the terms are settled, the contract is formalized, ensuring clarity and mutual consent in the transaction. Second one is payments and delivery. Payment and delivery. In Baisalam, the buyer pays the seller the full price of goods upfront at the time of the contract. These payments provide immediate funds to the seller, crucial for covering production costs or acquiring the goods. Subsequently, the seller commits to delivering the specified goods to the buyer at an agreed future date. The delivery date is predetermined and fixed in the contract, ensuring both parties are aware of their obligation. Third one is purpose and usage. The primary purpose of Baisalam is to provide financing for producers, particularly small-scale farmers or manufacturers who requires upfront funds for production or acquisition of goods. By receiving payments in advance, seller can cover their expenses and ensure a smooth production process. By Islam, contracts are commonly used in sectors such as agriculture, where farmers sell futures, harvest, and or commodities where producers secure financing for their output. Last one is compliance and risk sharing. By Islam, contract must comply with Islamic principles, ensuring they are free from interest, riba, uncertainty, gharar, and ambiguity. Jahil. Additionally, both parties share certain risk in contract. The buyer bears the risk that the seller may not deliver the goods as promised, while the seller bears the risk of any adverse market condition or unforeseen events affecting production or delivery. This risk sharing mechanism promotes fairness and equity in the transaction. Overall, Islam plays a crucial role in Islamic finance by facilitating trade, providing financing, and managing risk in the Sharia compliant manner. It supports economic activities, especially in sectors requiring upfront financing, and promotes ethical conduct and transparency in business dealings. As such, Islam remains as fundamental instruments in Islamic economics, contributing to growth and development of economies while adhering to Islamic principles. Thank you.